tashdele ngaraming tinsroi and Hi everyone, my name is Tenzin Dolkar, and I work at Students for a Free Tibet, and I'm the executive director. And today we're all here, Tibetans and supporters. All of us are here to commemorate this day, March 10th, as a way to remember our Tibetan people inside Tibet in their struggle for freedom. And it is my honor today to introduce Dr. Yang Zhenli of Initiatives for China. When he was just a 26-year-old young student, he witnessed firsthand the death of his Chinese brothers and sisters under the Chinese government's hand in Tiananmen Square in 1989. And they were simply demanding a better future for the Chinese people. And since then, Zhenli has dedicated his life to serving his people, to even the point of even risking his own life and safety to create a more just China, which led to his imprisonment for 5 years. And even after his release from prison, he didn't give up. If anything, he was even more determined and resolved to fight for his people's rights and freedom. And it is an inspiration to have him here with us today, standing in solidarity with our people in our struggle for freedom. Yes, it has been 55 years of repression and violence in Tibet under Chinese rule, but it's also been 55 years of resistance and not giving up. And we do not have the right to give up. Not when our Tibetan brothers and sisters inside Tibet are ready to risk arrest, beatings, and even set their own bodies on fire to protest for freedom. Zhenli, Dr. Yang Zhenli and other Chinese human rights activists, they are not giving up either. It's been over 20 years in their struggle for human rights and democracy in China. And for us, it's been over 50 years. And we're not giving up because every day, like today, every day is an opportunity for us in exile to act in solidarity, to work in solidarity with our people in our struggle for freedom. And it is up to people like us, you, me, Zhenli, and other Chinese human rights activists, to take action, to join the protest, to sign the petitions, to call our leaders to stand up for Tibet and our people and advance our courageous movement towards freedom and human rights. And please join me in welcoming Dr. Yang Zhenli.
My dear Tibetan brothers and sisters, 扎西代了。